The infamous Baby Cone and Baby Blizzard. These are for people that still want to get their sweet craving, but at the same time think they're losing weight by eating smaller portions. Either way you look at it, you're still, how would I say this?
Still fat.
Thank you, son.
You know where
Still
LaDonna
fat.
lives?
Yeah, my son said
You know where
it.
LaDonna lives?
He said it, not me. He the one said it. He said it, not me. He did, not me. Okay, so let's get that out the way.
I thought y'all walked down their house that day.
Now, whenever they get ready, now, see, this is the Sunday. This is what Sean gets. This is the Sunday. Why
Why does she look like that?
Why is your shit,
I've never seen a Sunday look like that with juice.
if they syrup is loose. Kind of loose there. Not thick. Some shit that is.
There'd be a blizzard.
Okay. Now, like I was saying, this is the Baby Blizzard. I want you to see the Baby Blizzard. I'm gonna set it up here in the window so you guys get the full effect of the Baby Blizzard. Hold on. That's the Baby Blizzard. That's how big the Baby Blizzard is. That's $2 for this. Here's the Baby Cone. Let me show you the Baby Cone. That's the Baby Cone. That's like, you can like put that in your mouth and just swallow it. That's how little that is. Look how she's holding with her pinky finger up.
Get your
Go ahead, extend your pinky finger. Go ahead, extend the pinky and lick. Oh, she sucked. That's good. Okay, now my daughter gets that big old goddamn thing right there. Whoa, Bugs.
Whoa, Bugs. For real.
The motherfucker was in my eyeball.
I just talked to him.
Now, the Baby Blizzard, the Baby Cone.
So y'all sitting back and just waiting to catch some people taking their kids to Dairy Queen.
The Baby Blizzard and the Baby Cone.
Oh, shoot. Grilled cheese and soup for $2.99.
Grilled cheese and soup for $2.99 at Dairy Queen, man. This is how we get down in the city, man. We got grilled cheese and soup at Dairy Queen, dude. Okay, now back to what I was saying. The Baby Cone. It's for that just right feeling.
I'm gonna go get Camille.